to stream Nintendo Switch on Discord. So if you want to stream Nintendo Switch on Discord, then here's the step-by-step guide. What you need to do is first you need to set up your Nintendo Switch. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is powered on and connected to the internet. Having a stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth streaming experience. Once you have that, now the second step is you need to launch your Discord on your computer. So open the Discord application on your computer and log into your account. Make sure that your Discord is up to date and access the latest features. Now the third step is create a new server and you can create a new server or you can select an existing one. In Discord, either create a new server dedicated to gaming or select an existing server where you want to stream your Nintendo Switch gameplay. Ensure your server has the necessary permissions for streaming, and then you need to start a voice channel. Within your chosen server, start a voice channel. Streaming on Discord requires being in a voice channel, even if you don't plan to use voice communication. Once you're on the voice channel, you need to connect your Nintendo Switch to your computer. Using a capture card or a capture device, connect your Nintendo Switch to your computer. This device acts as a bridge, allowing your gameplay to be captured and shared on Discord. Now, the sixth step is open broadcasting software. Launch your preferred broadcasting software on your computer. OBS Studio and XSplit are popular choices. Set up the software to capture your Nintendo Switch feed from the capture card. Now, the seventh step is configure your Discord settings. In Discord, go to the voice channel settings and under your voice and video tab, choose your broadcasting software as the camera and microphone source. And then on the eighth step, you need to share your screen. So back in the voice channel, click on share your screen option. Select the window that displays your broadcasting software, capturing the Nintendo Switch gameplay. And on the ninth step, you need to begin your streaming. You need to go with the live button option to start your streaming on your Nintendo Switch gameplay to Discord. Your friends in the voice channel can now see and enjoy your game adventures in real life. And that's it. That's how you can stream Nintendo Switch on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.